Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Tommorrow, and today I have what I'm going to be calling the So Much Happy series, because I'm going to be doing the card today, and then on Wednesday when I post my 3D projects, I'm going to share the box. So this is a two-part series, and they coordinate together, of course, but it would be a super cute little gift set to give. And I love this new stamp set. It is So Much Happy, and it has the happy dies is as a bundle. So if you get the bundle, you save 10%, but it also has this die right here, the happy die in it, and a word of warning before you use this die, especially at a diagonal like this. I've bent mine, as you can see. I've bent it actually on both ends. So I'm going to show you when we run this through how you need to run it through so you can avoid it. It's really still working just fine, but yeah, it bent it some, and it really upset me because I love this die. It's so fun, and I know I'm going to be using it a lot. But anyway, I'll show you that when we get to it. So today I'm sharing the card. Tomorrow I'm sharing the box. So come back tomorrow to see the little gift box. It's so cute, and it's really a fun one. All right, let's get started with the card. This is going to be, Pacific Point is going to be our card base. So you need a card base that is 5.5 by 4 1/4. This is our regular card base. I'm gonna scoot that out of the way for a second. So we're going to just fold it in half to be our regular card base. All right, so there is our card base, and then you need another piece that's 4 by 5 3/8, and this is basically all you need for this card. It's so fun, and it's so quick and easy. In fact, I want to show you, I went a little crazy. So I made the Pacific Point, I made a melon mambo, and then I went ahead and made a Bermuda Bay too. So aren't they cute all together? They're so fun, and I just went crazy making them, and you can really do these really quickly. So let's get started. All right, first thing we need to do is bring the big shot up here. All right, so I think one of the reasons that my die bent a little bit is because my plates are very warped. I use them every day, 2-3 times a day, because I'm always using the big shot. So one of the main things you need to remember to do, put your cardstock down, and then you're going to line this up and keep these within your plate. So you want to make sure it's halfway on your card here, but you don't want it overhanging over this plate, because I think that's what happened with mine. It grabbed it. So you want to make sure that it's inside of that plate. And then you put your other plate on top, and you can see how badly warped these are. I'm going to actually turn this way. And just make sure you can't feel your die on the sides. And then you can prevent that from, because I wanted to use it on the diagonal. And when I ran it through, I wasn't thinking very well, I guess. And a little bit of these sides were hanging over. But you don't want to do that. But it's still working fine, so I'm happy. But this is what you're going to get. All right, and that's all we need to use the big shot for. So now we're going to stamp, and I'm going to use Pacific Point and Daffodil Delight. And what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp our birthday, so we know where to put our balloons. So I'm going to use Memento Black for that. And we're going to stamp our birthday right under here, just like that. And now we'll know where to put our balloons. We're using the large balloon with the star, and we're using the smaller balloon with the stripes. And then we are using the string for that. All right, so let's do our larger balloons first. So we're gonna stamp one here. And then I'm just kind of angling them just a little bit. Nothing fancy. I mean, they're so cute on their own. And then we're gonna do the yellow striped ones. Let's see, let's do that one on this side this time. All right, so those are all our balloons. Now, if you don't want the string to be on here, which I thought it looked cute, just to have a little bit of the string on there, you can actually mask this off with some purple tape, or in fact, I'll grab some purple tape and show you, but I really liked it with it, so I didn't even bother, and it makes it so simple. So you can just mask this off. And then you don't have to worry about your string getting on there. So we'll do it this way this time. All right, so we are going to start stamping our little strings here. And I'm trying to only stamp or ink the top part, because you can get a little crazy and it'll come down here. I did that on one of mine. And then I'm just using my Simply Chamois, and I'm wiping it off each time. So just do all your strings. And you can turn your string the other side and use both sides. And then just take your tape off. I'll use this for my, and then you won't have any on the happy there, which I didn't mind it. I thought it looked cute. So like on this one, you can see that the string is on the letters a little bit. All right, so that is all the stamping that we're doing. I'm going to grab the card base. I'm using our new Stampin' Seal. I love this new tape runner. And it fits in your hand really nicely. And it's really, you just have to really use a light touch with it. You don't have to press it real hard. In fact, I feel like when I press it hard that I have to restart it. But it works really nice. And it's super sticky. It's a lot stickier than the snail was. And then we're going to put this on. Make sure you have it centered on both sides. And then we're going to put that down. I'm going to use my 2020-2022 enamel dots, but these are not the exact colors, but it did go really well with it, so I'm going to use these. I'm using the Misty Moonlight and the Bumblebee for this. So I'm just going to put a few. It kind of looks like little confetti to me, and it's just a really fun little touch. I think it really makes this card really cute. All right, let's use the Bumblebee off of here. Oops. This one came apart. I'm going to use a dab of wet glue right there. And we'll use my Take Your Pick tool. All right, let's do another one. You have to really get underneath these so that the little color part does not come off. And then let's just do, let's see, let's do a couple down here. Oops. All right, so there you have it. Super simple and quick card, but really adorable. I really love how it came out, and it coordinates so cute with the little box that I'll be sharing tomorrow. So here are all the ones that I did. Let's put these every other one. So aren't they cute with all the different colors? You can go crazy making these. They're so fun. So I have if you didn't see my tutorial on Sunday, I'm doing a giveaway because I hit the 25,000 subscriber mark, and I just want to thank everybody so much who has subscribed. I love you all. I'm so grateful. And so I wanted to give back, so I'm doing a giveaway. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can still get into the giveaway. You need to subscribe, leave a comment, and then like my Facebook page. I'll have my link to my Facebook page in the description. And so you will get into the drawing. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwiththemore.com and shop from my blog. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.